Hey guys, it is dinner time here at North Country. I am so excited for tonight's dinner. We are going to do chicken bacon ranch with Brussels sprouts on the Blackstone. I wanted to bring you guys along tonight. While we are doing our build, that leaves me completely kitchenless, but still I have a family of 7 that needs to get fed. I have been figuring out the best way to be able to make meals that I'm not going to be losing my mind, and I have found the solution. The Blackstone is absolutely a game changer. I am so in love with her. She is just so fantastic. So tonight's gonna be my first cook, but I am planning on doing a lot of these kinds of videos because cooking is a huge passion of mine, and it's a way that I get to serve my family, so I really enjoy it. Tonight we are going to be doing chicken bacon ranch with Brussels sprouts, so come along, let's do it. We are gonna start out with that bacon magic. I went heavy on the bacon because we're going to use it on the chicken and also in the Brussels sprouts. Sometimes I'll put these on there just to give them a little bit of weight so you don't have these fatty pieces up at the top or the bottom. Guys, we are basically camping up here right now, so this kind of stuff is totally my friend. Throw it away, don't have to worry about dishes. Got this all ready to go for the bacon when it's done. You gotta enjoy while you're cooking, so cheers. Now we've got all of this goodness on here. We're just gonna spread it around a little bit. And then we're gonna put the chicken breasts on there. I like to put steak seasoning on my chicken because it's basically like a seasoned pepper. And then gonna put a little bit of that Johnny's seasoning salt. Give them a quick little temperature check with this nifty little thermometer. I like this one a lot because it tells me right here what the temperatures need to be at. So for chicken, I need to be at 165. All right, guys, time to put those Brussels sprouts on. And the pressure is on with the Brussels sprouts because Chad told me that he hates Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna try really hard to make them super good. Gonna go with a little bit of that garlic salt and some seasoning salt and a little bit of black pepper. Use some of that tossy, because let's be honest, this is probably why I love this so much is the tossy. We're gonna put some of this bacon in here with it too. Scoop up some of that bacon grease, drizzle it on top. I'm putting some Parmesan cheese on it. And then I'm going to finish it off with this balsamic glaze. All right, guys, while we love all of this bacon grease, We are going to clean it up for our final part of this, just because we don't want to get any of this burn on our food. This part is always a little bit fun. I am turning the grill off because it's a little bit warm and we just don't need it that hot. We just need to melt the cheese on top of it. So I'm going to actually spray a little bit more water on it to cool down a little. All right. Now we're going to move quickly, but we're going to put the chicken back on the grill. Now the fun part, guys. I love this. Who's having fun? We're going to put a little bit of ranch dressing on each of them. Oh, it looks so good. Pop some of this bacon on there. Right, guys, next part, we're going to put some Italian style cheese blend on top. We're going to close that lid up for a couple minutes. Beautiful. All right, you guys, dinner is done. It looks delicious. I'm so excited to bring it into the family. Thanks for coming along. Let me know if you liked this. This is new to North Country Off-Grid, but this is a huge passion of mine. I love cooking, I love baking, and I see this being a lot more in the channel. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below of what you guys had for dinner tonight, and if you think that you will give this a try. Thanks so much, you guys. I'm gonna bring this into the family. We are going to bless our food, thank the Lord for the provision, and eat dinner. Have a great night, you guys.